Select Kia vehicles have voice memo, which makes it easy for the driver to record and save a voice message. To access the voice memo screen, from the infotainment system home screen, select Voice Memo. To record a voice memo, press the red button and speak your message. Don't forget to pick up milk. When recording starts, the other audio functions are muted or playback is paused. To adjust the recording sound volume during voice recording, drag the control bar. You can pause the recording by pressing the pause button. If a call comes in while recording, the recording is paused so you can answer your call. Once you're finished recording, press the stop button. The voice memo is automatically saved. Select the voice memo you want to listen to. Don't forget to pick up milk. To delete a voice memo, press the trash icon and select Yes. Press the menu icon to Save to USB device, Edit, where you can delete a voice memo, and select Storage Space Information to see the file size of a recorded voice memo. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching!